Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can complete I need a bigger boat quest in Windrose. First of all, you need to visit this I need a bigger boat batches, and once you find the perfect boat which you can use, just kill all the monsters and interact with the shipwreck. Right here you can see we're gonna need 100 boots, 20 nails, 20 coarse fabric and 10 ropes in order to repair this ship. If you don't have these items, just go to your home, grab this and just repair the ship. So I have these items, I'll select continue, select the option repair the ship, and yep, there you go, we have repaired the ship. But at this point we are not able to launch it only because we haven't completed the mission yet, and the missions we need to complete are rescuing the crew. So like basically if you just open the map here, you're gonna see all these yellow color badges. All these missions are rescuing the crew missions. So just go to these locations, kill the monsters or sailors. Once you kill them, just talk to the basically capture sailors. Once you talk to the last one, you're gonna see that the rescuing the crew quest is successfully completed. It means that we can get back to our boat and basically launch it. So as you can see, I'm on the boat location. I need to interact with the shipwreck, select continue, and yep, there you go, we got the option for launch the ship. Select that, and at this point we have basically launched the ship, or you can say launched the boat. Now here if we press K, we're gonna see two options. The first is cage, which is our main boat, and the second is for the smaller boat. So I want to use this one, so that's why I have selected cage. And basically now you can just use a ship. So yeah, this is the way you can basically repair your ship and launch it. To complete the quest completely, you need to talk to Dr. Galen, and once you talk to him, you're gonna see that the I need a bigger boat quest is successfully completed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.